In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block availability in a schedule link or open link inside of Morgan. When we look inside of Morgan, I have personal events in my orange calendar. I have work events in a purple calendar, which are also in my personal calendar, which is why we've got purple and orange. I then have tasks inside of a different tasks calendar, and then I have a frame inside of that task calendar as well. Moving over to the left ribbon, I can click on my booking page and you can see I've got a recurring schedule link, and this also works with open invites, which are one-time schedule links. But in this case, I'm going to copy the link, paste it into the address, and now you can see I have a booking page showing availability. If I click on Monday, the 2nd of June, there is availability from 9 o'clock in the morning through till 4:30 is the last time someone can book a call with me. If I click on the three dots, go to edit link, it's showing me the available times that I'm offering inside of this link. And you can see on a Friday, it's from 9 till 12, whereas Monday through Thursday, it's from 9 till 5, and these are 30-minute meetings. You can see there's the text if I wanted to copy it. And so Monday we've got from 9 through till 4:40 because we're finishing at 5 is when we're last available, and the call is for 30 minutes, so it's a half hour before that. And Friday, remember we finish early, so 11:30 is the last time someone can book a half-hour call with me. But if someone books a call at a time, an event is created in my events calendar, and I don't want someone to be able to book a call at the same time because now I've double booked myself. So I need to block the availability if an event is created. If I look at my current calendar, I can see these work meetings are also in my personal events calendar, but this hospital appointment isn't. And I want to make sure no one can book a call with me when I'm at the hospital. So I'm going to go into Preferences by clicking on my profile picture, Preferences, then to the Availabilities tab. And now I need to select which calendars Morgan needs to check. So I'm going to turn on the events calendar, my work calendar, but then also the tasks calendar. So now all of these different spots should be unavailable on my booking link. And so after refreshing, you can see the second is now unavailable. Looking back at Morgan, you can see I'm on holiday this day, so the entire day is unavailable because I'm away on holiday. If we take a look at Tuesday, we've got 9:45, 10:15, 11, 12:30. And when we look at Morgan, I'm in a call until 9:45. So no one can book a call at 9 because that would overrun. And the earliest a call can be is 9:45. But as you can see, no one can book a call at me at 12 because 11 till 11:30. And then at 11:30, I have a work stand-up. So they can't book a call with me there. Otherwise, that would be overlapping. And 11:30 to 12:30 is also blocked off. When we take a look at Wednesday morning, there is nothing until 11 o'clock because I have a Morgan task inside of a task calendar, which I've turned on inside of the availability. So now this task is blocking for someone to book a call with me. However, what I can do is change this from busy to free. I can do this with events or tasks or frames. And once I've saved it and updated the booking link, now when I go to Wednesday, someone can book that time with me, even though there's a task at the time inside of my Morgan calendar. And so an event or a task needs to be in one of these busy calendars for it to be blocked, but it also needs to be marked as busy. So declined events or events marked as free will not block your availability. You can see this event has some striped lines because at the moment, if I double click, it's tentative. I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to go or not. But Morgan is still blocking that because I might go, and they assume that I'm going to go rather than not. If we look at this frame, it's for video recording. I don't want someone to book a meeting when I'm going to be recording, so I have this frame as busy. However, inside of the general preferences, transparency of scheduled tasks by default are busy. However, if they are default free and the AI planner schedules a free task inside of this frame, let's say for example the weekly review was a task scheduled in this frame, it is free, but the frame is busy. The Morgan booking link will still see the frame as busy, so it will block your availability even though the task in that frame is free. The assumption being the frame is to block off your calendar, but you've set your task as free because maybe someone at work can see that they can actually talk to you, whereas if the task was busy, they can't talk to you. And then when we go back to the scheduling links and show advanced, it's worth checking the settings to see if there's actually enough time for a booking slot for a half-hour meeting call, if you've got buffer time or other settings that may be impacted by meetings, events, tasks, or frames that you have inside of your calendar.